Hello, I am Steve Maislin, President and CEO of the Greater Houston Community Foundation.
And I'm Anna Babin, Senior Advisor to United Way of Greater Houston.
As the COVID-19 pandemic spread, our organizations joined forces to launch the Greater Houston COVID-19 Recovery Fund as a way to provide critical emergency assistance to vulnerable families and individuals. Things like food, rent assistance, help with transportation, medical care, and utilities. The fund is overseen by a volunteer task force led by Houston Texans President Jamie Roots and Chairman and CEO of ChaseSource, Tony Chase.
The COVID-19 pandemic not only created additional hardships for the 40% of the Greater Houston households that were already struggling to get by, but they also left many others needing help for the very first time.
And one thing we do not lack in the Houston area is compassion. And so many generous individuals, families, and organizations have really stepped up and given so generously, helping raise more than $16.7 million for the Greater Houston COVID-19 Recovery Fund to date.
We are so grateful to each and every donor who has contributed. Every dollar you gave provided someone with food, housing, childcare, and other necessities. Every dollar you gave lets someone know that this community cares about them. And every dollar you gave provided someone with hope.
And so far, the fund has deployed more than $10.5 million in grants to nearly 100 local nonprofit organizations that have proven experience and systems in place to serve the community in times of disaster and who are providing critical assistance to our neighbors every day. The first round of grants from the fund focused on food and emergency financial assistance to address the most immediate and critical needs. The task force then deployed a stopgap round of grants to provide support for domestic violence survivors, food insecure households, and the homeless population. And most recently, the second round of grants provided additional food assistance, emergency financial assistance for basic needs and housing, services to prevent homelessness due to evictions and foreclosures, financial and housing counseling, legal assistance, and services for the homeless. You can see the full list of grantees at greaterhoustonrecovery.org.
The pandemic is not over, nor is the economic situation it has created. We know that the needs far outweigh the resources available, but we promise you that with your help, we are doing everything we can for everyone we can. We are using every gift entrusted to us to help our most vulnerable neighbors in this critical time. If you or someone you know needs help related to COVID-19 or with any other social service need, please call 211 Texas United Way Helpline. One simple number, 211. On behalf of United Way of Greater Houston, the Greater Houston Community Foundation, and the Greater Houston COVID-19 Recovery Fund, we thank you. We thank you for your support, and we wish you and your family safety, security, and good health.